installation and operation of a multi-source high vacuum evaporation coating instrument. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full, generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the vacuum pump to the power supply. Connect the air compressor power supply. Connect the water cooler power supply. Turn on the main power of the device. Turn on the vacuum pump. Turn on the water cooler power. Power on the device. Turn on the vacuum gauge power. Turn on the molecular pump power. Click to enter the operation interface. The locations of the 8 evaporation sources are introduced below. This is number E, number R, number 3, number 4, number 5. Organic evaporation sources node 7 and 8. They correspond to the positions in the cavity. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Click the bezel to operate. Open the corresponding sample stage baffle. Mount the sample on the sample stage. Open the target shutter. Insert the target. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to vacuum. When the vacuum is less than 20%, molecular pump can be started. Click the sample stage to reset. After reset is complete, click coordinates. For example, enter 100 毫米. Lower the sample stage. Descending. Start the rotation below. For example, input 20转每分. Click forward. Click to return. Rotating. If sample stage heating is required, click temperature. Setting the heating rate. Example 10. Setting the target temperature. For example, 100. Click to start heating. If you stop heating, click temperature. Click stop. Introduce the corresponding positions of the 3 film thickness gauges. This is the NOE film thickness meter, NOR film thickness meter, NO3 film thickness meter. The corresponding number is E, number R, number 3. The type of target material of the film thickness meter needs to be set before coating. Click on the film thickness meter. Click Settings. First set up the NOE film thickness meter. Click and then click Select. Aluminum as an example. Click Apply. Click Set R. Click Select. Click Apply. Click Set Sign. Click to return. The operation process is in the parameter settings. Click to view the specific process. When the vacuum meets the requirements, start to pass the protective gas. Click Flow Meter. Set the traffic size, for example 200. Now the gas has reached the required. Enter in to turn off the shielding gas. Click to return. Set the time of evaporation source sun, for example 200 seconds. Click on the evaporation source semi-annual mode. Adjust the current of the corresponding evaporation source sun. You can see that evaporation source already has current. The evaporation process can be observed. Click Mode Switch. Take evaporation source E as an example. Click to switch to automatic mode. Click to return. Set the evaporation time to E, for example 200. Setting the current, for example 40. Click Start. The evaporation process can be observed. It will automatically stop when the evaporation time is up. After evaporation is completed, click the sample stage to rotate. Click Stop. Click to return. Close the sample stage shutter. Click to return. After evaporation is completed, click to stop the molecular pump. After the molecular pump frequency drops to the click to pick up samples. Click OK. Vacuum close to atmospheric pressure. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample.